These are the 6 amazing AI tools that everyone must know. Tool number 1 is Summaryai. Here is the URL. This is a very cool tool and it creates summary of different books. You see all these books here, you can get the summary within seconds. If you go down, there are a lot of different topics here for you to explore. See this topic here, self-help. It's very nice. All these are different books and you can get the summary in just few seconds. There's spirituality, sports and outdoors, science and maths, history, politics and social sciences. So whether you are a student or an avid reader, you can come to summaries.ai and you can get the summary in just few seconds. So let's say if you want to search for any book you like, for example, let's say I want the summary of Life of Pi. Okay, just write down the name here and click on summarize. Alright, and there you go. See, it just took a fraction of a second. Right, so the summary is here. There are even key takeaways, there are different topics. Alright, that's so cool. So this tool is gonna save you a lot of time, and instead of reading long books, you can simply come here and read the quick summary. Alright, so before we move on to the next one, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon. Tool number 2 is Whispunk.com. This tool is AI image generator, but it's also an editor. So let's just click on start composing. Alright, so this is the interface and it's very simple. Alright, so there are a few options here. You can even upload your image or you can generate images with the help of AI. You just need to describe your image here and it will generate the image for you. Alright, for now it has already given me an example, a picture of a grass. Right, so remember I told you it's an image generator but also an editor. So if you come here, there are a few different options. You can insert different images, you can insert different shapes, you can even draw. Right, so let's just use this and click and drag it here. Alright, see, that's so cool. So if you want to restyle this, just click on restyle and just wait for a few seconds. Alright, see, the previous picture the dog was sleeping, right? And now the dog is awake. See, everything is done by the AI and it really looks like the dog is on the grass. But we edited the picture from here. Alright, so let's click a new image and try something else. Alright, so here you can upload a picture or you can describe and generate a new image. So let's try the AI image generator. Let's see, I want astronaut on the moon. Right, and click on generate. Just give it a few seconds. And there you go. See, the image is ready in just few seconds. And from here you can even add other objects. For example, let's say Earth. Click on get more images. Alright, there you go. See, maybe I like this picture. Just click and resize it and maybe paste it here. Alright, that's so cool. You can even see the Earth. Right, so if you like this, you can click on download and save it to the computer. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Tool number 3 is quickcreator.io. Here is the URL. So this is a very useful tool and it generates landing pages and blog pages for you in just few seconds. It's SEO optimized, it's very user friendly. Alright, so let's click on start free trial and use the tool. So you do have to sign in for this. So just use a Google account and you'll log in just few seconds. Let me quickly do it for you. Alright, so once you're logged in, you'll get two options. Either you can create blog pages or landing page. Right, let's just click on landing page. Alright, so this is the interface and it's very simple. You can either choose a blank page and you can start creating your own designs, or you can click here and choose from templates. This is actually what I really like about this. Just click here and you'll see there are a bunch of different templates for you. That's so cool. See, they are like startup templates, electronic scale promotion, lead generation page, startup template, e-commerce landing page. That's so cool. Alright, so let's just try the artistic e-commerce landing page. Select it and then click here. Give the page a name. Okay, let's just go with Urban Music Station. Alright, and then click on create. Just give it a few seconds. Alright, so the page is generated and here we need to put in some information. So enter your product, service or business name. So the name of the business is Urban Music Station. If you like this page to be SEO optimized for specific keywords, you can write it here. And here you can write your product descriptions. For example, let's say I provide vocal recordings, mixing and mastering, and maybe background score. Alright, so once you have put in all the information, just click on generate. Alright, your landing page is ready in just few seconds. Unlock the potential of urban music production. See, it even has a different descriptions. Elevate your vocal recordings, mixing and mastering with our cutting edge tools. Alright, take your music production to the next level. Alright, that's really cool. See, all these are done by the AI. Professional music production services, view more. Alright, I like that. Alright, so I really like this template, but these pictures are not going with my business, right? So since it's a music production studio, so I need something related to music. Right, so all you need to do, just click on the images. You can either upload your own picture here or you can search the free online library. Okay, just click here and then search for music studio. Alright, there you go. See, a lot of different options to choose from. Alright, so maybe I like this. Click here and click on save. There you go, much better. So this tool generates landing pages and also let you edit it. Alright, so I like this picture. Maybe I change all of these. Click here and say maybe singer recording. Alright, I like these. Click here. Alright, so I've edited all the pictures and look at this. Our landing page is ready in just few seconds. That's so cool. See, everything you see here is customizable. Alright, so high quality sound production, professional vocal recordings, alright, expert mixing and mastering. That's so cool. Alright, so our landing page was ready in just few seconds and you can straight away use it in your own work. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Tool number 4 is vmake.ai. Here is the URL. So what it does, it instantly removes background from your images or videos and you can even change the background. Right, so you can remove it. You can even enhance the quality of your images. Alright, so you can use all these tools for your e-commerce business, for your social media marketing or your own content creation. Okay, so if you click here, you can see there are a lot of different tools. But the tool which we're gonna look at today is this, the video watermark remover. Just click here. So what it does, it removes watermarks, logos from your videos. Right, so I don't have a video right now, but you can click here and you can upload your files and your watermark will be removed in just few seconds. How cool is that? Tool number 5 is vscope.com. Here is the URL and I'll leave all the URLs in the description. So this is also a very useful tool. It transcribes your videos in just few seconds and it's completely free. So whether it's a TikTok, YouTube short or long format videos, everything you can transcribe within few seconds. Alright, so let's just upload our video here. Alright, so you do need to sign in here as well. So let me quickly do it for you. Alright, so once you're logged in, you'll be able to upload your videos. Just click here and upload it. Just give it few seconds. Alright, so your video is now ready to be transcribed using machine learning. That's cool. Alright, let's just use 3 to 4 words, alright, and click on transcribe. And there you go. The AI has transcribed the video in just few seconds. How cool is that? Alright, so if you click here, you can see it has even generated subtitles. Alright, so your transcript is ready, and you can click here and you can change the style. You can even edit the words here. You can do all the customizations. Alright, so that's so cool. Tool number 6 is Namelix.com. This is a very cool tool, and I personally really like this. So this is a business name generator. So you can name your business with the help of AI. So if you are someone who is starting a new business and you are confused about naming the business, you can come here and enter the keywords and it will generate the business name for you. So for example, let's say I want a name for my music studio. Alright, and then click on generate. Alright, so we need to select the style. Let's just go with auto. Click on next. Self-generation randomness. Let's just go with low, less random. Brand info, music recording studio. Alright, you can even add the business descriptions here, but that's optional. You can even check the domains if the domains are available. You can do that. Okay, for now, let's just click on generate. And boom, there you go. So many options. Harmonics, yeah, I really like this. There's mellow tune, echo chamber, pulse pad. I really like this. Alright, see, it has generated the name for you and also the logo. Right, so that's so cool. Studio vibes, yeah, I really like this. Alright, so this is a very handy tool and is very creative in naming your business. Alright, so these were the free amazing AI tools that everyone must know. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section, and also make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.